Good day, everybody. My name is Dr. Nelson Bloom, and I've been involved in natural medicine most of my life. Uh, Tonight, I would like to introduce a product that I've been using in my practice. I specialize basically in cancer, stage 1 through 4, diabetics, heart and artery problems, weight issues, pretty much any type of medical problem. I treat most of the problems naturally. I don't like to use medicine. There's one product that I use in my practice that I find very effective with a lot of my cancer patients, for example, with a lot of my heart patients. And that particular product is, I call it a superfood. And I deal with basically three different products in my practice. I deal with a superfood, I deal with a super water, and I deal with a super juice. Today I just wanted to talk about the superfood because right now the future of mankind's food is going to depend on this particular food in the future. Most foods today out there are processed. A lot of the processed foods are creating havoc with a lot of people's digestive systems. I don't recommend 80% of the food out there in the grocery stores are very acidic type foods. As far as the superfood we're going to talk about, it's called Life Max Milo. And Life Max Milo is a blend of chia seeds that a company formulated a method of grinding each of the seeds into a powder. Now these seeds are white and dark seeds. It's a mixture of the best chia seeds you'll find on the planet. It is it's non-genetically modified. In other words, it's a superfood, it's healthy, it doesn't have any type of ingredients in it that's harmful to the body. It'll give everybody their vital nutrients as far as B vitamins. It has all the omega 3, 6, and 9 in large quantities. I'm talking about grams. It has magnesium. It has all the different minerals that you can think of. I don't know any food that has as much nutrients as this particular food. That's why I call it a superfood. Now, what made this food noticeable to me, over the past 2 years, I noticed a lot of my cancer patients that had no appetite, that were emaciated, they had lost a lot of weight, they didn't have an appetite, they didn't even have a will to live. All of a sudden, they started using this product, and all of a sudden, their appetite came back. If they were depressed because of their regular oncologist, their depression went away. This superfood, because of the quantity of omega 3, 6, and 9, it can cure different types of mental disorders. I'm talking about Alzheimer's. I'm talking about severe mental depression. I'm talking about people that have dementia problems and just basic memory problems. All you need to do is be on this food. The average dose is about 2 scoops a day. You can buy it in a package like this. It's a 1 pound package. It comes in a 1 pound package with a scoop in it. It's very inexpensive. Just to give you an idea of the diabetic issues that involve this particular food, this is a glycemic chart. I put all my diabetic patients on this glycemic chart. What it does is it tells you what foods are high and what foods are low as far as producing sugar. For example, white bread will produce, it's about 80 on the glycemic chart. It will produce tremendous amounts of sugar in your body. The same thing with white rice and cornflakes. All these types of foods you got to stay away from if you want to stay healthy. Not only diabetics, but regular people. Now, You want to control the amount of sugar that's in your body. You do not want your body to produce excess fatty tissue, and all of a sudden you find yourself with a lot of extra weight around your waist and hips, because eventually that'll lead to type 2 diabetes in a lot of the people. And what you want to do is you want to keep your weight as low as possible. This particular product over here is only 1 on the glycemic chart. It's the lowest glycemic natural food on earth, and it's the only food that I recommend to all my patients. I also recommend certain algae, which is another superfood, which we're not going to discuss tonight, but I'm dealing with superfoods. And anybody out there that wants to stay healthy, that wants to lose some weight, that doesn't want to have nutritional defects, I recommend to have Mila. A lot of the patients that come into my office, I give them a non-invasive exam. It tells me if they have any deficiencies in any minerals, any vitamins. It tells me if they're calcium deficient. Basically, most people that come in, they have deficiencies, and they have deficiencies because they're not getting the right food. They're not eating the right nutrition. And this is a super food. I recommend this food to everybody out there. I've been on it for 2 years. I have a lot of my patients on it for 2 years. I have never seen anything like this. This will reorganize the whole industry. Thank you very much for your time, and keep healthy. Thank you.